Here is how to create a Facebook account. So if you don't have a Facebook account and you want to create one, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. First step, there's two ways to do this. You can either search up Facebook, and then once you're logged out, there's an option to add an account or create a new account, which is the same thing. Or you can search up create Facebook account, and then it will pop up to the same thing where you can create a Facebook account. Now what we're going to do is we're going to press on create an account, and then I'm going to fill out all of this stuff. So I'm going to choose a name. I'll just choose Dojo, and then I'll choose YouTube. Then you can enter the dates, your gender, and then you can enter your mobile email number, and then you can create a password. So I'm going to choose email, and then I will choose a random password. Once you do that, you can press sign up, and then you will create a Facebook account. If this video helped you, go and hit that subscribe button down below, comment any questions you have, and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.